So what's this called, this system?
This is Peanut One, our new connector, which is designed for CNC nesting machines. So we got one machining operation going from the top.
Yeah.
This is 5mm hole, 25mm hole. You're inserting the component.
And is that just CNC notched just to locate it straight?
Yeah, just to keep it square.
Okay.
For the keyhole, we got one special cutter, which is much.
Is that cutter visible over there?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the one.
Let's just see that for a sec. Oh, I see. So that. Just try and focus on that. Yeah. So that drops in and then just moves across.
Yeah. So it goes into the slot. One way, the other way, and it comes out.
I see.
For the draw faces, if you want to have it adjustable, it goes in and follows the polyline. You just make the bottom wider a little bit.
Okay.
So when you slide the draw face, you can adjust to the size.
So it's enough to hold the fixing in, but a bit of play. Okay. And so you have the option of that face CNC'd fixing, or there was an edge, these edge ones, weren't they, up here? So they do the same thing. And that is that a special screw there, or is that just a wood screw?
Just normal screw.
But it would have to be piloted with
No,
3mm or
you
something?
just screw it.
You just screw it in?
Yes. For this, you do 6mm edge drilling to insert component itself, and you reinforce it with a screw.
Oh, so there's a 6mm. Does that go into the material?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
Okay, so
We should go together. Yeah. And is this a Felder product?
now we are a new company called Intelligent Fixing, and we got these two products
years ago. So it'd be nice to.
So that just required the sides to flex out a little bit for that to go in?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Would this work in chipboard, or would you not recommend
Yes.
it? It would? Okay.
The reason we're doing an MDF because I need to put together and take it apart.
Okay,
all
yes,
the time.
yeah.
Chipboards normally wears out after 5 times.
I see.
Now, draw face,
Okay, yeah.
just slots in. You can adjust a little bit one way, another
so
to
that's
make
what play you're talking about.
the gaps perfect, and then retaining screw from the back, or
see.
drop of glue in between.
Okay, yeah, brilliant. Thank you.